Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly get a 4K HDR quality in the CapCut mobile. So you don't need to use any color adjustment. You can just use this simple trick if you want to get a 4K quality. So first, go to effects after you adding your videos. Click on the video effects. And now swipe until you find this lens category, and here you'll spot this 4K HDR effect. So click on that, and here you can always adjust the effects to your liking. I'm going to lower the blur, then I'm going to also lower the sharpness into around 45, and here the range I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to lower the soft light and also the filter like this, and just click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the effect. So this is how you can instantly get a 4K HDR quality for your videos using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.